5 Constitutional Court judges were set to hear a petition challenging the President's reappointment of Benjamin Odoki as Chief Justice, but not the petitioner and his lawyers. First, the panel of 5 judges in their chambers heard from the petitioner's legal team that raised concerns with 2 judges of the bench. The petitioner, West Youth MP Gerald Karuhanga, alleges that Acting Chief Justice, who is also serving as the Acting Deputy Chief Justice, Stephen Kavuma, and Augustine Nshimye are biased, and that Kavuma was erroneously appointed Acting Chief Justice. Professor George Kanyeihamba, who is representing Karuhanga, argued that the 2 were biased in a constitutional matter involving embattled ex-NRM MPs led by Theodore Sachikubo. There is an appeal in the Supreme Court over the conduct of Kavuma and Nshimye, which is yet to be disposed of. According to Kanyeihamba, the judges are biased until Supreme Court can declare otherwise.
We can't proceed. So I've instructed our lawyers to proceed to the Supreme Court, and right now I don't believe in this bench.
On Kavuma's injudicious appointment as Acting Chief Justice, Kanyeihamba argues that when former Chief Justice Benjamin Odoki retired on June 23, 2013, the following day, June 24th, he wrote an internal memo as a private citizen assigning duties of Chief Justice to Stephen Kavuma. Kanyeihamba says there is no precedent where a retired private individual has appointed an Acting Chief Justice. The judges described these grounds irrelevant.
We shall wait. We shall wait. The beauty is that at least Parliament cannot approve former Chief Justice Benjamin Odoki as Chief Justice again until this case is disposed of.
Karuhanga states in his petition that the President, on the advice of the Attorney General, reappointed Odoki, who clocked the mandatory retirement age of 70 and ignored the advice of the Judicial Service Commission. The Commission last year was reported to have agreed to support this petition, which has now been stayed until the Supreme Court pronounces itself on Kavuma and Nshimye's fate on the panel. Wausimbi, NTV.